Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Bounce fabric softener. This is just the Ahhhhh textile. 4-in-1 static control, freshen, softness, helps reduce wrinkles. Outdoor fresh, 15 sheets. Okay, so starting off, I really love these Bounce sheets. This is obviously like not the bigger box of them, but this is like the smaller one. I still love it though. The reason I get the smaller ones compared to the bigger ones is because these ones are more inexpensive, and I'm not someone who overloads on like dryer sheets. I tend to just put one a sheet, so I wash about like one load a week depending on how much laundry I have in the upcoming week. So one load a week is like one of these a week, which would last me like 15 weeks. So that's why I only get the 15 one. But this is, like I said, just the Outdoor Fresh set. And just to give you guys a quick overview about what the box looks like, it just has this in the back too. See, it says 1 sheet for regular loads, 2 for larger loads, and I usually just do regular loads because I wear sweats throughout the week, and yeah, I don't double wash my jeans, so this works really well for if you don't do that many loads. If you do have a bigger family and you tend to wash a lot, I don't suggest getting this one. I suggest getting the bigger one. But just starting off about this product, I got introduced to this because my mom uses these and I wanted her to recommend me a good dryer sheet that she uses because I am adulting right now. I'm like starting off, like I don't know really well. Okay, washing is easy, but it's just like when it comes to different products, I always ask for my mom's advice because who doesn't want to ask for their mom's advice? But I asked her like what dryer sheet she preferred, and she said Bounce. She loves it. Growing up, I honestly don't know what dryer sheet she used because I didn't really pay attention that much when it came to washing. I just knew put the clothes in the washer and then mommy will do the rest. That's basically all I did. When I got older, I knew that I didn't even use dryer sheets, to be honest, until in my 21 years of life. When I turned 21, that's when I started using dryer sheets. I used fabric softener and that tended to work well with me, but never used dryer sheets before until this past year. So this honestly makes my clothes smell so good. I'm just gonna flip it over so I can just show you guys what a sheet looks like. This is for any of you guys who want to just know what the sheet looks like. It's like a regular fabric softener sheet. Even just opening the top of this, I can smell it. It smells so good. I love the way it makes my clothes smell. It smells honestly so amazing. Like it's almost like air freshener, like a how do I describe it? Like any linen or like any like lavender air freshener. That's the kind of like smell it gives off. The other reason I do like these too is because I tend to travel a lot and go different places, and so if you're somewhere for more than a week, you're gonna obviously need to wash your clothes. And guys, so tiny. Look at how skinny the box is. I'm sorry, mine is a little crinkled because yeah, but take this with me everywhere, or you can easily put it in a Ziploc bag and bring it with you. Honestly, one of the best dollar, like I said, these ones for me are $1. The price might differ, but they're very inexpensive. But honestly, a bang for a buck, like probably the best dollar that I've spend every month. So it's just like amazing. Also too, something else that I really love about this product as well is that usually when you use dryer sheets and you're washing or drying your clothes with them, the smell of the dryer sheets usually go away when you put them in your closet and stuff because they usually accumulate the smell, however your closet smells and everything of that sorts. But one thing that I can really tell with Bounce is that the smell of the fabric sheet stays in my clothes. So like I'll be wearing them and I'm like, it smells so good. And this will be like a day or two after. There's still clothes in my closet that I washed like 2 or 3 weeks ago that I haven't worn yet, and it still smells like Bounce. So that's the one thing, guys. Always get a product that's worth your money. Like you don't only want to smell this when it's coming out the dryer. You want to smell it for however long you want it to. However long, like, you can have it smell like that for. Something else too that I use for dryer sheets, and these are other tricks and tips that I love using these for, is if you have a deodorant stain on your any black clothing item or any clothing item in general, I use a fabric sheet and I just take one of these and I'll just go over it a little bit, and it helps so well. I love doing that. Another thing I like using these for is I like to reduce static with them. I like to get rid of sweat stains with these, and also I use them as filters for when I'm filtering out things. So those are just a couple other things if you guys were wondering what else they can be used for. Another reason why I super love this product is because of the 4-in-1, the Fresh and Softens, static control like I just said, and help reduces wrinkles. So if you guys are having any of those issues with your clothing, I super suggest Bounce. One of my favorite dryer sheets, and it's honestly worth the money spent. I really do love this product. I'll suggest it to anybody. And like I said, these are the 15 sheets one, but if you do more than one load a week and you tend to love dryer sheets, I suggest getting the bigger box, but this is just the 15 sheet one.